flooded, I'm star-studded. You motherfuckers not gonna be able to cut it. Listen, I'm a tough act to follow. Keep in mind my pride's hard to swallow. Wanna get personal, close and intimate? Listen kid, I'm a whole different instrument. Mental, I'm not sentimental, I'm intricate. It's impossible not to get into it. My intent to vent is not innocent. I'm guilty of being real filthy with these menacing ways. It's time to finish your phase. I'm proof to raw adrenaline and energy pain.
You're done, your time is up. It's a brand new beat, now turn it up. Swole name's been coming up. Now watch these people burn it up. You're done, your time is up. It's a brand new beat, now turn it up. Swole name's been coming up. Now watch these people burn it up.
Prevail, prevail, baseball bat and nails. I'm a menace to society, my record's for sale. We're back in black, I'm back at it. Attack, we're taking it back like dead rabbits. Wreck havoc, me and the metal, metallic magic. My talent's a canister of sinister gases. Stomped like a fascist, this is my advantage. My tongue's like a whip to administer lashes. Molten ashes, fire and brimstone. You need to hire me to put a name on a tombstone. You're f***ing with a league of extraordinary gentlemen. Penalties of venom and Armageddon's millennium.
Em algum lugar pra relaxar, eu vou pedir pros anjos cantarem por mim. Pra quem tem fé, a vida nunca tem fim, não tem fim. Se você não aceita o conselho, te respeito. Resolveu seguir, ir atrás, cara e coragem. Só que você sai em desvantagem se você não tem fé. Se você não tem fé, te mostro um trecho, uma passagem de um livro antigo, pra te provar e mostrar que a vida é linda, dura, sofrida, carente em qualquer continente, mas boa de se viver em qualquer lugar.